Yo, what is going on, guys? You're probably wondering who the hell is this masked magician in front of you. I specialise in finding new ways to save money, and today's video I'm focusing all of my special needs on how to get you free Microsoft gift card codes in 2023. It's pretty easy. It takes a few minutes and you can get a $100 gift card code for Microsoft without spending a penny. This will allow you to redeem it on their website. It's a code and it will give you anything in the Microsoft store up to $100. So let's get into the tutorial. It takes just a few minutes. Let's get you that free Microsoft gift card. Right, so let me get into the tutorial on how you can go ahead getting a free Microsoft gift card. It takes just a few minutes and you need a mobile phone, so make sure you grab your mobile, open up the internet, and make sure you go to this website. Make sure you type it exactly how I'm going to type it here, www.topdogcodes.com, and this is the website you need to look for, guys, Top Dog Codes. And when you reach this web page, you're going to see there is so many things on here. Hit the search bar and type in Microsoft. Free Microsoft rewards points. Click on that. And although it says rewards points code, you can also get a gift card code. Like, you can get reward points if you want them. Obviously this video is focusing on gift cards. This has been rated thousands of times and you can see there's tons and tons of coupons left. So yeah, anyone can do this. This is a free $100 Microsoft gift card, and basically, guys, you need to click on show code here. And this is going to pop up that confirms this is for a $100 gift card, and it says MS and then there's a bunch of like stars. Basically, guys, we need to unlock the full code. Obviously these $100 Microsoft gift card codes can be resold, so people create robots to steal all of the available coupons. You can see there's thousands left, so this is just a way to protect them and ensure they go to end users like you and me. So tap unlock code. Now we need to start the process of getting the full code. It takes just a few minutes. Just make sure you follow the instructions because it is pretty easy. So you're going to see this page pop up, and this is completely normal. We need to complete 2 of these tasks on this page to unlock your free Microsoft gift card code. Now, like I said, they're all completely free, and there is a list here of tasks. We need to choose any 2 of them, follow the instructions, and complete them to unlock our code. You can see below each one there's a description. So Family Island, it says download, then complete level 8. So this is like a free game. And then these ones, such as enter your email and complete the steps. So these are like survey / enter an email ones. So you just need to choose any 2 of these. They're all completely free and they don't take too long at all. So I'm going to click on this Family Island one where I need to play it and get to level 8. So you can see it's open in the App Store, where I'll need to download the game, open it up, and then play it until level 8. And then I'm going to go back once I've completed this one, and then I'll choose a second offer and just complete that. So let me do this. I'll pause the video just so you don't sit there having to watch me play this game, and then let's see if it gives me my code once I've completed them. So I have returned, and I returned once I've completed these, so that's all done. I completed this Family Island one where I just had to basically play that game you saw until I got to level 8. Then I came back and I completed this one at the top where I just had to answer some quick questions and input my valid email address, and it basically just confirms you're a real person. And once you've done that, hit your tabs button, and if you've followed the instructions carefully, you should see this tab here. Click on that and it should now show you your Microsoft gift card code. And this code, you can literally copy it and log into your Microsoft account and enter it, and it's going to credit you a $100 gift card, which you can then go ahead and spend on anything on the Microsoft store, be it transfer it to the Xbox or just purchase some Microsoft products, anything you want. And that is a $100 gift card. These codes are unique and exclusive, so you need to go and get your unique code, guys, at topdogcodes.com and follow the instructions in this video. It shouldn't take you any more than maximum 10 minutes, depending which of those tasks you complete. And yeah, this is by far the easiest and best method to get you also free rewards points if you want. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for the next video, because you're going to be very excited to see that one. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.